In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off Discord notifications on your phone. If you find the constant buzzing of notifications distracting, or if you simply want some peace and quiet, disabling Discord notifications can be a helpful solution. To get started, open up the Discord mobile app and then tap on the back arrow at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right. And then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Notifications. Tap on it. To turn off in-app notifications on Discord, simply toggle off the switch over here. If you want to completely disable Discord notifications, tap where it says, Get notifications outside of Discord. And then tap, Notifications. All you have to do next is toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.